Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all planner, which is called Sketchy Florals, and it is a classic size happy planner. So here we go. It is for the week of March 10th through the 16th. I'm going to be using Spring or Allura Spring from A Level of Posh. It is a lovely, huge sticker book, and that's what we're going to be incorporating into the spread today. So there's this whole collaboration of stickers in here that just match so well together, or should I say it's more of a collection of stickers that is just so beautiful and so right for spring. I can't tell you enough. So we're gonna go ahead and use these. Live Love Posh also has boxes in this book and quotes and all sorts of things. So we're going to be able to use just one book for this whole spread. So bear with me as I go into the boxes and start pulling some out to make sure that we can incorporate those into my spread before moving on. So as you guys know, I love my spreads to be very, very functional. And that's how I'm planning to keep this one too. So we're gonna use boxes, we're gonna use checklists, we're gonna use a whole bunch of stuff in here as I go through the process of creating the spread. If this is your first time joining, my name is Kasha. All I do in this channel is basically review products for you guys and create spreads. So that is basically this whole channel in couple words. If this is your first time joining, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, you are just amazing. Thank you so much. It means so much to me for you guys being here. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and stagger these boxes together, and then we're gonna go from there. And yes, some of them are crooked, and oh well. Like at this point, I'm kind of like, oh well, because I have sometimes there's days where I give up on my straightness, and this is one of them. So I have this like, I don't know, it looks like two eyes and a nose, you guys. But I'm gonna fix it. Don't worry. We're gonna add some more into the spread so it's not gonna look as strange. And as always, I need small boxes for my work schedule, so we're gonna incorporate that. But look at this book with like the florals. It is so amazing. I like the details, and these tiny little stickers are beyond belief. So instead of using the checklist, I'm drawing my own micro bullet points. I want to test out this look and see how it's going to look on this pen with me. And if I like it, I'm going to continue doing that in next weeks and so on. Or if I don't, we'll go back to the checklist. I obviously even the spacing won't be as perfect as it is with the stencil, but I don't know. Sometimes I just want my own tiny micro bullet points. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then add a lot more decoration. Because if you guys know anything about me, you probably already know my spreads need to be full and really, really kind of overwhelming for some people. It is perfect for me, but I know for a lot of people it is overwhelming. Also, I need four skinny boxes for keeping track of work schedule. And there is a purpose for this, obviously, so I want to make sure that I don't overdo my work. I am hoping that I can stay on track with this week. So that's kind of where I put when I start and when I finish my work day. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, so crooked. Okay, this one I gotta fix. I know I said I no longer bother with the crooked, but not true. Okay, and then on Sunday one more, not for work, but for something else. So yeah, those are the boxes. So boxes are done. we can continue on decorating, which is my favorite part of this, like of creating a spread outside of filling it out. I love filling it out too. That's like my second joy. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take a washi tape cutter and an X-Acto knife. I have like this fancy schmancy that looks like a pen. I love it. And then I'm gonna cut it off, and then there we go. So beautiful, right? That works. Okay, so let's do that. And then there's this tiny little sticker, and I'm gonna see if I can use it somewhere to kind of fill in some space. Maybe right here. It kind of looks like it would be long. And it's curving up. So yeah, I'm gonna keep that. And then I want to add a lot more flowers and elements into this. So we're gonna add this whole arrangement of vases and a watering can. By the way, this watering can, so stunning, you guys. I like can't. So I'm gonna add one on this side. Look how beautiful it is. I cannot get over how pretty the design on this can is, and I would like one like this. So if you guys have seen it and you are, let me know where I can buy one like that. Okay, I'm gonna add a box on the side, actually two boxes, and that's going to be kind of like a to-do for this week, and I'm gonna keep it that way because I think it's a lot easier for me to list things that I know I have to do this week, but I don't necessarily know what day. So then I can put it in there kind of like a placeholder and then move it into the day that I need to do it on, if that makes sense to you guys. Because of course it makes sense to me. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add a couple more elements, not too many, just a few. We have that butterfly right there, that's gonna work. We have a couple flowers, nothing too bad. Fill fill the world with kindness. We have a floral, like all of these little things are going to go in here. I'm gonna add this air floral diffuser, so beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and keep going. Almost done. Let's look how full it is. It's making me happy. Just a couple more elements, especially like on Tuesday and Thursday, those two empty spots, they need to be filled up. And then I think I'll be pretty happy after that. If you guys hear my dog barking, I'm so sorry. I am trying to use a noise canceling microphone, but I don't know how that's gonna go. He's pretty barky. Okay, let's see. And I want to add a box on Thursday, another one, and then a watering can on top, like so. And I think that's pretty good. So let's see. Okay, that's going pretty well. One more box. And then I'm gonna go into some quotes and maybe fill up some quotes in here as well. Um, but I will probably do that off camera, and then you guys will see this when we flip after the pan. So thank you so much for joining me, and that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon for another pan with me. Bye!